Good morning. Today I'm going to make a crawfish quiche. This is based on an Emeril Lagasse recipe, which I changed a little. So it's very good, very, very good. Wonderful for brunch. So let's get started. On Darlene's table. First we'll saute our vegetables. 3 tablespoons of butter, and then we'll add our vegetables. So that's half a cup of finely chopped onion, half a cup of finely diced red pepper, 2 teaspoons of finely chopped garlic. Now we're just going to saute this until the onions are slightly translucent. Now I'm adding the half pound of crawfish, and we'll only saute them for a minute or two, mixed with the vegetables. At this point, I'm adding the salt and pepper and cayenne, and I'm going to stir in the chives. I'm going to set this aside and let it cool a little. It looks pretty already. 1 cup of heavy cream with 4 eggs. We're going to whisk this to blend. All right, a dash of Tabasco sauce. Well, maybe a little more than a dash. A little Worcestershire. And the finely grated Parmesan. My oven is preheated to 375. Now we'll put this quiche together. This is a fully baked 11-inch deep dish pie crust. The crawfish and vegetable mixture will go in first. It's still a little bit warm, but it's not hot. If you like crawfish, you're going to love this. This is the egg, cream, and Parmesan mixture. I'm going to just put a little bit in here to cool the crawfish down some more before I put the cheese on. I'm using Tillamook sharp white cheddar. I know you hear me say that all the time, but I do love their cheese. Now the rest of the egg and milk mixture. Just smooth it a little bit. Because I have a pre-baked pie shell, I'm going to put this silicone pie ring around my crust edge to protect it, and it will not brown anymore. I love these. You can use aluminum foil, but this is so quick and easy. Into the oven at 375 degrees for 40 minutes or until lightly brown. This looks good. I believe it's ready. Push off the pie ring. You see, the crust did not brown anymore. And pre-baking the pie crust helped prevent the bottom crust from becoming soggy. I'll let this sit for 5 minutes before slicing. If you like crawfish, I hope you give this a try. You saw how easy this is, and I know you and your family will enjoy it. Oh, and if you want to make your own pie crust, check out my no-fail pie crust recipe and video. But it's okay to use store-bought. Nobody's gonna know, right? Also, the recipe for this dish is on the video description. And thank you, Chef Lagasse, for creating and sharing this recipe. If you like this video, please share it with your family and friends. Click on the like button and hit the bell so you will be notified when we post another video. Anyway, we hope to see you again soon on Darlene's Table. You have a blessed day.